pleasure to demonstrate the Advanced Solutions single-line multi-ship-tos extension for the Acumatica sales order module. Acumatica out of the box does not support multiple ship-tos for a single line item. Rather, each ship-to requires a unique line item on the sales order. With our product, we've created a multi-ship-to order type. That multi-ship-to order type acts as a parent for all of the out-of-the-box Acumatica order types, like the standard sales order, or any customized order type you may have created. The multi-ship-to order type supports multiple shipments on a single line. Kyle, please demonstrate.
All right, so we're going to go to the standard sales order screen, and we're going to choose the multi-ship-to order type. So a lot of things have been turned off, and some new things have been turned on. We're going to come here, we're going to choose a customer like I'm sure you're familiar with, and we're going to choose an inventory ID. So here we have the standard order quantity, and then we have a default child order quantity. So this is like setting the starting point for what a child order will have in terms of quantity for this inventory item. So let's say the customer has ordered 10, and let's say that the default for each child order will be 1. So that would mean 10 with 10 items, we're going to have 9 stores that are going to go with, we're going to have 8 ship-tos that are going to have 1 item, and 1 ship-to that will have 2 items.
Fantastic. So we could have the default quantity at 2 for 5 stores, or 2 with 2 stores getting 2 and 1 store getting 1, or excuse me, getting 5, as an example.
Exactly. Yeah.
Okay.
As long as it all adds up, you can choose any different number
combination you want. Great.
Exactly. Okay, so next step, we're going to go to the multi-ship-to tab, and this is where we're going to set our location. So I'm going to come here and actually build this up in Excel to just demonstrate the Excel import functionality. So let's just take these 2 lines, and let's extend them out to 10 lines. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I'm going to save this, and I'm going to use the file upload button that we've provided.
So in this example, you're bringing in 10 different ship-to addresses and designated here as City 1, City 2, etc., correct?
Exactly. So,
got it.
Yeah, you can see here we have the address line 1, but then each ship-to, City 1, City 2, City 3, City 4, etc.
And each one of these are going to get a quantity 1 because 10 have been purchased.
Exactly.
Got it.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Sorry to totally screw this up, but do you want me to take a step back and redo this with a quantity 2?
Yeah, because we wanted to do a quantity of 9, and,
and
29 was going to be a quantity of, right.
Again.
That's all right. So let's keep going. So start again.
Okay, that's fine. I'll just delete all these out of here. Bear with me. Okay, I'll just take it from the transition point. There was a nice transition point onto the. So I'll switch back here.
Yep.
So next, we're going to go to the multi-ship-to tab, and this is where we set where these items are going to go. All right. So to demonstrate, I'm going to use the Excel spreadsheet here to show that we can do this in mass, do a mass Excel import. So we're going to do 9 ship-tos. 8 of them are going to get 1 item, and one of them is going to get 2 items. So let's just go here, and you can see we have City 1, City 2, and let's expand that out to City 1 through City 9.
Perfect.
So let me do file
now
upload.
I've got my 9 unique ship-tos, and 8 of them are going to get quantity 1, and the last one will get a quantity of 2 for my total of 10.
Okay, so now these ship-tos have been imported. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to mark them as active. and we'll go to the child lines. And this child lines tab will give you a preview of what we're going to generate with the child orders. So I'm going to hit the child lines button, and we're going to look at this. Okay, yeah, city 1, city 2, city 3, and we agreed that city 9 was to get 2. So I'm going to set that line to 2, the rest of them to 1, and I'm going to press the Generate Child Orders button.
Cool.
And now it's working away. And as you can see, these are the child orders that were generated from this process. So from here, these orders are just going to go through the standard Acumatic order processing, whatever you've set up for that order type. And if we go, and I'm actually just going to go back to one that we've worked with, here's a multi-ship-to order that is a bit further along the process, and you can see that we had our child order numbers that we saw from before, but we also have shipment numbers, we have shipment confirmation, and then invoices generated.
I see, and in this case, there were 3 ship-tos versus the 9 before, and in this case, of the 3, 2 have been shipped and invoices generated, and for whatever reason, maybe the 3rd had multiple quantities and required a larger truck or something like that, so it's going out the next day, and it has not been shipped yet, nor has it been invoiced. Correct?
Exactly. And
got it.
What this grid gives you a wonderful way to just drill down to getting that information versus, digging through all the child orders that you may generate from this.
Got it. And last question, Kyle. I notice under AR reference number, that's obviously the invoice. So I think we've got the option to invoice each ship-to separately, or if we want, we could use Acumatica's consolidated invoicing as an example and just send a single invoice to headquarters. In our original example, they pay for the whole quantity 10. Correct?
That is correct. Yes. So the whole idea of this is one master order that generates child orders which could possibly have different tax scenarios, and then either we invoice them separately or we combine them together and invoice the customer with a single invoice.
Great demo, Kyle. Thank you very much, and thank you for looking at the single line multi-ship-to extension for Acumatica.